AD. AD, saan ka punta?
Pumunta sa ice cream store.
Ice cream store? Where is it? Ang init-init, anak. Can you show me the way? Do you know how to get there? Wait for me. Wait for me.
Sorry.
Sabi mo, hi guys. Ika lang, nakpupunasa ko yung camera. Guys, tell me. Hello guys. Where are you going, baby? I'm gonna buy ice cream. Show me the way. Oh, baby, wait lang. Naiya ako. Ang laki ng slippers ko. Sige, show me the way. Huh? What? Sa side ka lang may ginagawa dyan. Dito ka lang sa side. Dito lang, B. Yeah, this is the side already. Sige, I'm watching you. What? There's the ice cream store. Can I pick ice cream for you?
No.
Can I choose a flavor for you? Oh, pusa kasi. Kapapabakuna ko lang sa ate kuya mo. Ayan dito, hero. Oh. Pili ka. Miming. Go away, Miming. Go away, Miming. Miming, go away.
Go away.
Miming, go away.
Bad girl.
Oh, sige na. Pili ka na lang.
Wait,
Bigla kang kalmutin ng puso. Sinasabi ko sa'yo.
hindi yan.
Sige, choose. Ayan, tumuntong na.
The watermelon one.
Watermelon one?
Yeah.
Ayaw mo yung, ayun na yung nakakap sa dulo. There. There. That one. That
No,
one.
I want this. Watermelon.
Watermelon?
Yes.
Okay. Watermelon daw po. Kano po yun? 14. What? Alis ka dyan. Oh, here. Wait, what will you say?
Thank you.
Kan. Sabay mo na kainin. Mag-ano ka muna ng kami. Mag-wash hands ka muna. At hindi pwede. Hindi pwede. Hindi ka. Dito ka sa side. May motor. Yeah. You need to wash your hands first. Ito ah. Nakikita ko.
Okay.
Hmm?
I said okay.
Okay. Okay for what?
Ikot.
Saan?
Okay, mama.
Ice cream.
Okay.
Iniba na po yung bahay dito. What? This is Daddy. Kiniklin niya si Thor.
Yeah.
Hi, Daddy.
What is ball? Don't make fun of that.
He's bald. Don't make fun of my dad. Actually, they don't. Ayan, maliit na daan. Papasok sa amin. Ito yung mga halaman ng daddy ko. At ito yung bahay ng kapatid kong bunso. Sige na, sige na.
Come here.
Sige na. Ayan. Bahay niya ang haba-haba hanggang doon.
Can you
Ito
open?
yung sala niya, naka-blinds.
Mommy, can
Ayun
you
yung
open my ice
kwarto
cream?
niya, yung buong blue na yun. Malaki yan, mahaba yan.
Mommy, can you please?
Kaya lang dito kasi mukha siyang maliit. Pero,
Mommy,
malaki
mommy,
yan.
Mommy, can you really please open my ice cream?
Yeah, but you need to sanitize your hands first. Go get the alcohol.
Okay. In my house, everybody.
Come inside our house. Our pangit house.
This is my computer, everybody, and this is my toys collection.
Toys collection.
Yeah.
Okay, get the alcohol na.
Okay.
What are you watching? A girl playing Roblox?
Hello, guys.
Okay. Sino yung screen mo? All black na.
No need! This is a dangerous spot I put myself in, guys. I don't have any items.
Mommy, can you open it? This thing?
It tastes pineapple.
No, it tastes like sugar.
Sugar.
Yeah.
Sugar or watermelon?
Watermelon gummy sugar.
Watermelon gummy sugar. Ooh. How about the green part?
It's the same taste.
Same taste.
Yeah.
It's just different. No, 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 no. No, Abby. Come here, Abby. It's better you to eat your ice cream right here. What's this? What's the brown spot?
Acid.
What's that? Is that a chocolate?
Yes. Yes, it's chocolate. Let's go in my house.
So in your house?
Yes, it's the mosquitoes here.
Why are these doors open?